Alright, man, so this is pretty much like my first day actually driving the car. I drove it the day of. Let's pop this sunroof real quick. This is like the first actual drive. I mean, I drove it like the first day I got, you know, test drive here and there, but you know, it's been sitting for a nice day. It sat like all Sunday just because I was like working pretty much all day. Yeah, Monday, dude, and this started, it sounded really loud when I cut it on. I thought like when I got the headers installed, especially because it's like catless and all that stuff, I thought it was gonna be like stupid loud. Like inside you won't be able to hear me at all, but I think you can hear me pretty good. And I'm driving, you know, just normal speeds. But if I mash it, and then you can hear it gets like stupid, like hear all the pops and all that good stuff. This car pops a lot, dude. It pops like a lot. Pretty much I'm on my way to Broke's house. These cars gonna go. It's not, I'll go. Kind of wanted to get his reaction too. I think he's gonna like it. Cause like it sounds like really good. And like it sounds good now. Like just normal driving, a little acceleration. But if you want to make it pop at any moment, dude, watch. You can hear it a little bit. Let me pass this car real quick. And it's like a nice deep tone too. It's not like nothing whack. Try to put the windows down. At any moment it pops, man. I think that's pretty fire. The pops, I like the pops a lot. Y'all hear it? I can make it pop louder. Let's put the... I hope y'all can hear the pops, man. Y'all in this car? Yeah, I hear that, man. Listen. That's crazy, dude. And you know, just go back to normal driving. You don't hear nothing. But yeah, overall, so far, I like the car a lot. At first, it was like kind of loud. I know this is my car, you know, blah blah blah. So like I was behind my car and I was trying to get like an Instagram video, right? So I was behind my car, remote started, and like when the car cut on, it kind of, you know, it scared me a little bit, honestly. Even though I was kind of like expecting it to be loud, and I heard it cut on like 4 times already, it still kind of scared me a little bit, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up Broke real quick, see what he thinks about the these pops are crazy, man. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up Broke right now, see what he thinks about my car. He wanted to hear it. We're both on the cars and stuff. He got a 19SS, if you don't know, right? And he just got like a cold air intake installed on it. I think this past weekend, not too long ago, so that's new. But let me go turn on this street real quick. You don't think it's too much, man?
Hell no, that shit perfect.
Should we do it like with the windows up? Still straight?
Yeah. I don't think you could hear the popular music on right.
Like if I cut
like let's say you're just driving with music, you probably won't be able to hear it.
Yeah, you can hear it. Watch.
Back for 40 hit up and Michael Jackson. Big shit, expensive shit, all that shit. Only wanna fuck one time back, I'm gonna fall back shit. Matter of fact, you wanna fuck
kind of feel it in
call backwards. But if I hit it already, chances are
feel it,
fall back.
but yeah, kind of hear it.
But it pops straight.
Yeah, straight. You see that donut shop? You turn left.
Left right there. So I'm good like this then?
You need cam.
I think that's all the mods I'm gonna do for a fat minute, man. Besides, like, probably That's a lot. What you think about it? It's good or not?
Amazing.
Perfect?
Perfect.
Hell yeah. It pops a lot. I think the day that I got it, like driving it like a few hours afterwards, it was popping more. Like pops like everywhere. Like you'll barely go like that. And then it popped right there now. But now it still pops a lot, but not as much as it did at first. But it's still a lot.
Hell yeah.
Still straight?
Yeah, still straight.
What's the scat pack right there? This sounds scary.
Just look for it 5 minutes. I don't know exactly what tree it is. I just know it's over here.
That shit sounds dangerous, dude. What y'all think about it?
Oh, fucking loud. Man, that shit is stupid low, man.
You said they got some baby cam on it? This thing's stupid loud for no reason. They heard it.
You can still hear them hoes.
Alright, man, back on the phone vlogs, man. Oh, I'm gonna get some quick Taco Bell. Y'all, my car sounds crazy loud. Kind of just like the first day with it. Gonna show y'all what it sounds like and all that good stuff. Yeah. I'm gonna get some Taco Bell right now. Bam, bam, bam.
Turn my phone off.
Why?
Oh,
good, messing up? Yeah. My car sounds so. Hey, should I start it right now? For no reason?
Whenever we did.
Oh, yeah, right. Alright, man, just finished the food quick update, right? I'm gonna cut the car and see if you guys can hear it. I don't think so, right?
It'll be loud.
We should have recorded him. You want to cut it off? Let's see what this thing sounds like. It's Broke's car, by the way. It's got like a cold air intake installed on it like not too long ago. Here's what it looks like. Bam, bam, bam. Let's see what the intake looks like. Mine is all dirty inside there. Like hella dirty.
I haven't even taken a picture of it.
Was it hard to install? It was pretty quick.
It took like 20 minutes.
Girl.
We were just missing the parts and we had to go to auto zone.
Yeah. How long do you think it takes to put a catch can on it?
Less than this. Easier than this.
A catch can's easier than the cold air intake?
Yeah.
Dang. Cause like the next mod for me is a catch can. Oil catch can.
Catch can's gonna go over here. This is over here.
For real? I thought it goes like right here.
Now the Mishimoto one's like over here because I don't know. They said it would be easier to take off and on whenever you replace the oil. I was watching my guy on YouTube.
Oh, you got the Wilker bill right. When are you finna put it on? Wilker bill's gonna be right here, by the way. Pop up a little bit. It'll look fire. I want black tail lights.
Get them smoked out by JD.
Nah, but when you get them smoked, it's like a purple tint to it, right? Like you can't tell it's black.
That's if you get them really dark, just get a light smoke.
Yeah. Cause I don't like how it looks when it looks black, but you look close and it's like a purplish red look. I think that's kind of whack. See, we're in Broke's backyard. From see if you could hear it cut on from back here. I didn't even hear the honks. Yeah. We in the backyard too, dude. That's crazy. What happened?
Look.
Oh, I don't cut on? Dang.
I'm gonna just do it manually.
This broke the other car. You got a Mustang too. Your car's pretty loud though.
Louder.
Louder. Let me get back a little bit. Want me to cut mine on? That's broke. Let's see if mine could like overpower it. Mine sounded kind of loud too. I don't know. I got them both on video though, so you can hear it. Hey, y'all comment down below which one sounds better, the Broke's Mustang, that was the first cut on, or my ISS, that was the second cut on. Hey, yours got a louder idle. Yeah. Well, fuck it, I'm finna dip already, man. See you, your when? Yeah. You got mine?
Is it recording already?
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Yeah. For no damn reason, for real.
Like a good loud, or it's like it's a whack V6 type loud.
Nah, it's a good loud.
It was this one Mustang or Camaro I ran into. They had headers, course, and all that, but when they revved it, it sounded kind of whack.
V6?
Nah, it was an SS.
How did it sound like?
Like a V6. Like it was loud, but like not a deep loud. I don't know, it was weird.
Yeah, because courses isn't deep. Courses are just loud.
I was loud for no reason.
Yeah, courses are loud.
Shit. Oh dang. That's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna dip already. Alright, see you later.